guys, and welcome to today's quick shortcut. Create a new document without the new document panel. Let's see how it works. Many times you will have this document open which you like with all the settings, and you might need to duplicate that same document, not to duplicate the artboard, just you'll need another workspace. So as we all know, you can go to File, New, and choose make sure it's the same settings, the A4 and bleed, or whichever settings you want, the orientation, and then press create, and you'll have the same document appear here. But there is another way to do it, and that's today's shortcut. Control Alt or Command Option N. That skips that whole process of going to File and New, and you've got it created there. It's a very quick and easy way to just duplicate the same workspace. You can see that, and that's basically it. Obviously, to save it, you do Control or Command S, and if you want to close it, first close, then you can do Control or Command W. That will just close the document. You can see I'm closing those documents on top there, and that's it for today. Thank you so much for joining me out. I know it was a very quick one. If you gained anything, please give a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.